Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So what I'll do, I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the technical trends, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. All right. So as we have seen that the price is basically trading in the range, and for the daily chart of Bitcoin, the range is very small, very narrow, and mostly the price is trading in between the 1000 point level. So at the 19,000 level we can take the support area, and the 20,000 level we can take the resistance. So what is happening here with the Bitcoin? Every time the price reaches to support, which is at 19,000, we have seen that the price will reach up to this 20,000 level, which is at the resistance level, right? And once the price reaches or hovers around at that 20,000 level, again the price will come back to the support level. So this is what exactly happens here, and that's the reason what we are doing. We are marking this level as the support and this level as the resistance. So unless and until we are not getting a particular breakout, once the price comes out from this range, we will not be getting very good movement in this particular cryptocurrency. And if you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is also trading in a range, and for that also the range is very small. So what is happening, from past many weeks now, that price is lacking the complete momentum. There are very less number of buyers and sellers, and because of the less number of buyers and sellers, the volumes, the trading activity is very slow these days, right? And that's the reason. You can also look at the candles here. So if you look at Ethereum and look at this movement, you would have seen that there is a very small trading activity happening with almost all the cryptocurrencies right now. Here technically, if you look at the support area, so I am marking the 1215 level as the support area, and 1418 I am marking as the resistance area. So because most of the time the price is trading in this area, and once the price, again the same logic, you can apply it here, that the price reaches to support, there is a high probability that the price will reach to the higher level of the resistance, and once the price reaches to resistance, we will see a fall to the support area. And look at the volumes here. Since now the price is very near to the support level, we might able to see that the price will start moving towards the resistance, and the volumes are not at all supporting this momentum. So again, in this cryptocurrency as well, once the price comes out from this particular range, we will see more trading activity happen here. So if you look at the overall the situation which is happening with almost all the markets like equity and commodity and currency market, so this is a situation where most of the things are basically in a range only. If you talk about the Indian equity market, we are for a short term basis we are in a range, and if you talk about gold, if you talk about some currencies as well, so everything is in a range particular. And overall, if you talk about the Bitcoin and Ethereum trend, so we are getting a downtrend, so that trend is gonna continue, because as of now we are not getting any indication of reversal. So yes, we will see more fall, but for that we just need to see that once the price breaks the support area and comes down and trade lower than the support level. So this is how you can look at these two cryptocurrencies, and we'll meet you tomorrow. And this is all from my side. If you're liking this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell icon. So I'll meet you tomorrow, and let's see if we get some more volatility, more volumes by the evening's time, that will be good. Otherwise you can see a very small and slow movement in these two cryptocurrencies. So thank you so much for watching me. I'll meet you tomorrow.